TikTok and several other apps. Now the Modi government has officially banned,
including PUBG. This is very, very important, even as we are speaking about what we need to do as a nation in terms of understanding our strategy.
Government of India, Ministry of Elect.
Good evening friends, my name is Subham Singh. Welcome you all in Education Tutorials. A very big news is coming on that government blocks 118 mobile apps which are prejudicial to sovereignty and integrity of India, defense of India, security of state and public order. And that include PUBG also. So we can see that this is the report by Ministry of Electronics and IT. We can see that in this report the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India, invoking its power under section 69A of the Information Technology Act, read with the relevant provision of the Information Technology Procedure and Safeguard for Blocking of Access and Information by Public, Rules 2009, in view of the emergent nature of threats, has decided to block 118 mobile apps, since in the view of information available they are engaged in activities which is prejudicial to sovereignty and integrity of India, defense of India, security of state and public order. This includes these all apps are included in that. First, APUS Launcher Pro, APUS Launcher, APUS Security, APUS Turbo Cleaner, APUS Flashlight Free and Bright, CutCut, Baidu Express Edition, FaceU, ShareSave by Xiaomi, Camcard Business. These all are the apps which are included in that. The main apps I would like to indicate is that is Ludo also, Chess Rush, PUBG Mobile. This is a very big news that PUBG is going to be banned in our country from now. So these all are the apps which are included in the list of Government of India which is going to be banned right now. This is a press release from the Government of India. You can see that. Last, there is already written in the press release is that this move will safeguard the interest of crores of Indians mobile and internet user. This decision is targeted move to ensure safety, security and sovereignty of Indian cyberspace. So on the basis of this and upon receiving of recent credible inputs that information posted, permission sought, functionally embedded as well as data harvesting practices of above state apps raise serious concerns that these apps collect and share data in surreptitious manner and compromise personal data and information of users that can have a severe threat to security of the state. So I would like to say that these all are the apps. You can see the apps which all are some of maybe your favorite also, like PUBG, App Lock Lite, Music Player, Photo Gallery, Album, Music Player, Gallery HD. Means these all are the app. U Dictionary also, Mobile Tobacco, Fighting Landlords, VPN for TikTok, Parallel Space Lite, Dual App. These all are the apps. You can see the apps list of the apps. I will provide you in the description box also the link of this PDF. So these all are the apps which you might be not be buried. Some of you may be your favorite app also. So the main thing here I would like to say is that PUBG is now going to be banned in our country. So it's a very big news, but it is the decision taken by the Government of India, by IT Ministry, and we all know that it is for the security of our country and we cannot compromise with the security. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.